A Fight for Love was a 1919 American Western film directed by John Ford and featuring Harry Carey. The film is considered to be lost. Plot. As described in a film magazine, Cheyenne Harry Carey has a sheriff and posse on his trail because of his knowledge of a cattle rustling incident and makes a dash for safety across the Canada-US border. When the posse stops at the border, he calmly waves his gun and rolls a cigarette. The sheriff, however, has contacted the Canadian Mounted Police, and they are soon watching Harry. He finds refuge with a band of Indians, but then clashes over an Indian girl, May, with Black Michael Harris, leader of a gang of whiskey runners. Harry's real love is with Kate Gerber, daughter of local trader Angus McDougall Fenton. However, his rival here is also Black Michael. Michael kills an Indian and abducts Kate, but Harry follows and rescues her. Harry beats Michael in a terrific fight, with Michael confessing to his crimes before dying. Cast: Harry Carey as Cheyenne Harry, Joe Harris as Black Michael, Neva Gerber as Kate McDougall, Mark Fenton as Angus McDougall, J. Farrell MacDonald as the priest, as J. Farrell MacDonald, Neola May, Indian girl, as Princess Neola May, Chief John Big Tree, Dark Cloud, Edith Johnson, Betty Shade. See also Harry Carey filmography, list of lost films, A Fight for Love on Internet Movie Database.